way you get more impressions on LinkedIn, I'm assuming this is with organic content, the easiest way you can do that is actually having hooks in your first sentence. So for example, if it's a post or it's an article, the way people read LinkedIn is they would read like, let's say first sentence, and then they would scroll down. So if your first sentence captures their attention, your organic impressions will go up. For example, you can actually find a list of popular hooks. So for example, I want to write, let's say, about Google Ads. What I could do is I could write organic content that say, I lost $10,000 on Google Ads, so you don't have to. This is a very, very common hook that you can use in your like LinkedIn organic content. And there's many of them. You can find a list of the popular hooks that different content creators are using. If you're using that type of hook, and if you have a little bit of an element of, I don't want to say controversy, but something that excites people, there's an emotional reaction to it, people will read the rest of your LinkedIn content and they're likely to share it as well. So you want to use hooks at the beginning of your organic content because that's what drives attention. Another thing we noticed as well, having video content or visual content helps. So if you're writing, let's say, a LinkedIn post, if it's just text, it typically gets less impressions. If, for example, you're using a text in addition to image content or a video content. So a combination of those will drive your organic impressions up.